back, snake wranglers. Hope y'all enjoyed your ride on the Iron Rattler. Now give that restraint a little push-up, unbuckle your seatbelt, head on out to your left. Don't forget any loose gear and whatnot. Have a great day at Six Flags.
Welcome to the Iron Rattler. If 48 inches or taller to the right. Any item that does not fit in your pocket cannot go with you. So if you have a bag, purse, or a backpack, leave it on the left-hand side of the station. If you have a hat on, make sure you take your hat off. Other than that, quickly find your seats that will be closing at your gates. Dispatching train. For your safety, keep your arms tight. Take the feet to the right at all times.
Oh my god, that's